Charleston Wine and Food Festival means connection. This is the time for us to fellowship through story, we fellowship through hugs. This is one of my favorite international festivals.
Charleston Wine and Food means celebration.
The day that it starts to the day that it ends, all the chefs in town, all the winemakers in town produce this incredible energy that you can just feel in the air.
Wine and food is such a breeding ground for trying new things. It's not just Southern food, it's not just seafood. There's so many different cultures that you're able to indulge in throughout the week.
My friends who are from Charleston, who aren't in the food space, they get to see like, oh, wait a minute, Charleston's really a big deal in this room.
When we started the festival, there really wasn't a culinary scene, and to see where it is today, it just continues to bring so much excitement and new life, but still maintain its charm.
Charleston Wine and Food, in one word, 100% community.
What makes Charleston amazing is the diversity.
I like the fact that the festival tries to involve every cultural group of this city.
I'm Gullah Geechee, so to have my culture kind of intertwined in the Wine and Food Festival is very beautiful.
Our goal is to create connections and celebration of this community for people here locally to get involved in this industry, which continuously gives back to our community.
Having all of this group together in a few days has helped the culinary community interface with folks they wouldn't normally interface with.
It's really helped put Charleston on the map in those ways that open people's eyes that this is a culinary destination.
One of my favorite things is that we get to work with the students from Charleston County and Dorchester County schools. They help in the kitchens, they help with chefs. The most important thing is they get to meet some local chefs. We love to see these connections being made.
Food people really are the best people. They're always the one to give, they're always the one to show up.
Food is the one thing that brings us all together.
Just come together, have a discussion over food.
If you have good food and good wine, there's not a whole lot that can go wrong.
Charleston Wine and Food, better with every bite.
Better with every bite.
Better with every bite.
Better with every bite.